To begin installation onto your walker, use the back of a chair or a wall to help balance the bag on the top rail of your walker. Loosely attach the upper left strap by bringing the strap around the outside of the walker, through the buckle, and fasten the strap loosely. Repeat this step with the upper right strap. You will no longer need the chair or wall for support. Now you are ready to attach the two short center straps. Bring the straps from underneath the crossbar secure them with the Velcro. Make sure the straps are centered on the crossbar. Next, attach the lower left strap. Bring the strap around the outside of the walker leg, through the buckle, and Velcro it snug. Repeat with the lower right strap. Make sure the center straps are still centered. Now make sure all the outer straps are snug, but not too tight. You are now ready to enjoy all the features that the Kettland Bay Walker Bag has to offer.